Welcome guys, this is my student monitoring system for Bangka National High School. First, you need to create an account. Create. And then, enter your username. Your password. And then, click create button. As we can see, it is successful. Go back, cancel, and then enter your account to continue. And now we are in our home page. The first thing we have to do is we need to create a subject. Click the subject button, then click add button to enter new subject, enter your subject ID, enter your grade section, time 7 to 8 a.m. and then just click save. Okay, it is successful. Okay, and then you have to click the back button. And as you can see, we have already created our subject. Now we can go back on our home. Just click this house like button in the upper right. There, we are in our home. And then after creating our subject, we have to create a student. So just click this student like button, click, and it will bring us in our student. So first we have to select our created subject and then click continue. As we can see, we have a list number 1, 2, 3, 4. These are just containers of our students. Then we will use list 1. So when adding student in our selected subject, we just have to add new student first. Student ID, then first name, middle name, last name, and then birthday, so as you can see, our age is auto because so next is contact person. address, contact number 0928. Just add if where you want to add this list 1, list 2, list 3, and list 4. So we have to, I will choose list 1. So successful. Then let's back, and we have to link. So there, our student. So we have to just click it and click add to subject if we want to add this student on our selected subject. So it successful. We have added Angelo on our subject, and we just need to continue. Just click this continue button. Then as you can see, our subject information, subject ID TLE 101, name TLE, grade, section, day, time, school year. So this is our student. As you can see, ST student ID is what we enter when we created Angelo. So as you can see also, number of students enrolled in this subject is 1. So after we create our student, we just go back to our home, and now we are going to add student performance. So we have to click this button for our student and select subject. So we are going to select what we are created. So TLE 101, continue, and here we have our performances: attendance, quiz, long test, project, presentation, exam. So first we have to go on attendance. So adding attendance, just click the student, then mark it if present or absent. So we mark him present. So as you can see, our date time picker is set on auto set on what is date now. So grading period, we're going to choose first, and then we're just going to click save if we want to add a attendance for student 1110. Just click save, and as you can see, successful. Okay, and then if you want to view attendance, just click view attendance. So there, student 111110 attendance on April 30, 2007. And then just click back if you want to add another performance. So quiz, just like on attendance, just click the student quiz number, enter his quiz number 1, average is or what he get on their quiz. So let's make it 10. Grading period is first, and just click save. Successful. So if you want to see if it is really added, just view quizzes. So there it is. Student 111110 TLE quiz number 1 to school year from 2007-2008, average 10, date, first grading. So next is long test. So just click student, enter long test number, average 8, it 29, first grading first, and just click save. Okay, it's successful. View long test. So there it is. And then let's click again. Let's go back. Project. Click our student. Project number. Average is 30. 39. First grading. And just click save. Okay. View project. There is our student project. Back. Next is recitation. Click our student number, score or average 10, first grading, save, successful. And then view. So there is our recitation for student 1110. So let's go back. And last, our exam. So like before, just click our student number and then average, and then first grading, click save. Very successful. Your exam. There's our exam. And next, let's go back. So we are done in our student performance. We fill attendance, quiz, long test, project, station, and exam. So let's go back in our home page. Just click this button. And then next, we have to view the report of our students. So just click this button and select subject TLE, continue, and as you can see our student, so student 1110, click it, continue, and this is his attendance, as you can see. So next, we can print this record. Let's see the print preview of our student attendance. So there it is, the report of our student attendance. Gonna close it. Next, quiz here, and like before, you can preview the print. So there it is. Next, long test, print preview, long test. Next, his project, print preview. As As you can see, your project TLE1 number 39, day first, grade first, school year, from and to. Next, recitation, review. So there. And last is our exam, print preview. There you go. Examination. So this and this is my database, my table, user table, subjects table, students, attendance, quiz, project, recitation, long test, and exam. All of my tables are connected by ID, subject, student, subject ID, and attendance, subject ID and student ID, and also quizzes, subject ID, student ID, and also exam, long test, recitation, and project. These are all connected by using IDs. So this is my database, and thank you for watching my tutorial on how to use my student monitoring system. Thank you.